Today we're going to be using LitMedia to create amazing AI music videos from start to finish. You're going to learn how to create a video like this one.
I love the Lamborghini, see the green glow.
Which is pretty insane. And also videos like this one.
Running through the high speed, shifting through the gears, I got everything I need. Neon in the rear view, goes
using two amazing features from LitMedia. Let's begin with the first part, which is actually using the general workflow of an image to video using the new Seedance 2.0 model that is amazing at generating photorealistic AI videos. To begin doing that, we will need a first frame and last frame for our video. So we're going to jump over in Gemini, and I'm going to use the voice command to generate all of the scenes, all of the characters and everything we will ever need. Hi Gemini, I'm looking to create a music video. To do that, I will need an initial image of a person. The video is going to be a trap style video with fast cars and cars running. Generate all of these, give me a structured report. So this is how easy you can use Gemini. You describe what you want to create. It will give us all of the image prompts that we need in a structured way. It will give us the transitions and everything. It's really that simple. You don't have to do anything else. So have everything here organized, and that now, using that, we're going to go to LitMedia. So the first thing we need to do is generate the images. So we go to AI image. Simple as that. We go from text to image. We select Nano Banana Pro. That's very important. We place the prompt of the person, 1K image quality. We're going to generate this in 16:9 because that's the aspect ratio I want. Click create. Now the second thing that we will have to do is use this man and generate all of the other three scenes. While we wait for the generation to happen, I want to let you know that LitMedia has an amazing lifetime plan that is super cheap to get. Literally, you pay so little over months, and you could completely use it for up to 100 videos, 285 images, and 100 songs every single month. You could even spin this up by paying more, so you can get unlimited generations at the final end of the plan. So this is, I think, one of the most amazing things if you want to get into LitMedia and use these tools. If you're interested in actually getting a subscription, I will give you the link for LitMedia down below. Now, what you need to understand is that this workflow is the typical workflow that you would use to make an AI music video in 2026. If you're interested in making music videos end-to-end more simply, stay around because we're going to use the AI music video feature from LitMedia very soon. So this is the guy that was generated. I like this image, looks good. We can go ahead and download it on our computer. The second thing we need to do is go from image to image, and we can upload an image, which is going to be the generated character that we just made. And we're going to give it the second prompt of Gemini. So it's going to use the image we attached to generate an image with this man against a vibrant Aventador, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to click create. Again, use Nano Banana Pro, 1K quality to save on credits and get the best quality possible. I'm going to do the exact same thing with all of the other scenes. In order to save time on this video and not make it super long, I'm just going to cut through the results. So all of the images are created and they look amazing. So this is our guy. This is the image with the Lambo. Amazing. This is the image of the highway with the Lambo. And this is the image of the guy walking away from the Lambo. Looks super nice. So let's move now into the video generation part. We're going to use these images using Seedance 2.0, new amazing AI model with up to 15 seconds of duration for video to generate amazing videos with the first frame and the last frame. So let's do that. We're going to need these two prompts, and we are going to need the reference images. So on the start frame, we place the guy with the Lambo. On the end frame, we place this guy going out of the Lambo. We give the prompt that Gemini generated for us, and we click create. Of course, we don't need to wait. We can go ahead, shift the last frame to the first frame, remove the last frame and add the new last frame that we generated previously. And we can also add this prompt for the movement of the camera. Again, 15 seconds transition, 16 to 9. Let's generate this as well. So in order to not waste your time, we're going to jump to the result of where we have the two videos generated together. Okay, so our videos are actually generated. This is the first one. Looks exactly how we want it and how the prompt says. It has a dissolve, like psychedelic transition. And this is the second video, which is the guy moving away. Boom. Epicness all over around. You can see here everything is like you're in a trance, like dragged out. This is exactly what we want from this clip. Everything is strange, everything is unexpected. So we got these two videos, we can download them on our system. And the next part is actually generating the music. Both of these clips have music on the back end, but this is not what we want. So we click on the AI music video and we click on AI music. We're going to use LitMedia. We're going to use LitMusic 4.5 Plus, which is the best and most powerful music generation model on the application. And what we're going to do is we're going to get this part. So this is the music style prompt. We put it on style. We click off instrumental because we want vocals, and we place this part on the lyrics. We're going here, select male voice. LitMedia is going to begin. It will give us 2 takes for our music. And while we wait for that, I want to give you a little bit of a preview of the AI music video. So you can have a narrative video, a singing video, or an abstract art. In this case, I think what fits better is the narrative video. So we can place our main character, which is this guy over here. We could add optionally a scene. We could put like this Lamborghini background here, and we can upload or select the music we generated. So this is the next part. We could add also a prompt about what we want to create. Let's see the first music.
Yeah, I love the Lamborghini, see the green glow. Fast lane living, yeah, I'm never moving slow. And just screaming loud, running through the
Love it. Super great. Exactly what we wanted. Let's see the other music video.
See the green glow. Fast lane living, yeah, I'm never moving slow.
I also really like this as well. I think the first one is exactly what I wanted, so that's what I'm going to keep. But while we are going to be editing the first video, I'm just going to go ahead and select music from the music we just generated. Click confirm, put the prompt in, select the quality, the aspect ratio, and click create. Our video is going to get started to process. This is essentially an end-to-end AI music video using the new beta feature from LitMedia. Now, while we wait for this, let me show you how you can actually edit everything out. Alright, so all we have to do is get the music and the 2 video clips inside Adobe Premiere Pro. You just literally import them. Then you drag and drop them to the timeline. This is the timeline over here. And then you take the music video, you put it there, and here you do a cut, you press the C button, right click on this line where the music is to apply default transitions. Go ahead and select the 2 clips, click link by right clicking and selecting the option, drag and drop over them and press backspace to delete them, and boom, here you are. You got both of the clips together and you also have the music on the back end. Go to export, select the name you want, select the quality. I would suggest that you select high quality 1080 HD and click export. It's so easy. Boom, 1 second after, the video is made. So let's check our first music.
Yeah, I love the Lamborghini, see the green glow.
Looks absolutely amazing. So let's see also what LitMedia will create using their new AI music video feature. I'm really excited to see what it's going to be able to do. Like, this is such an amazing and unexpected feature. Okay, so the video from LitMedia is ready. I really have no idea what we're going to see, but let's check it out together.
Yeah, Yeah, I love the Lamborghini, see the green glow. Fast lane living, yeah, I'm never moving slow. Engine screaming loud, running through the high speed. Shifting through the gears, I got everything I need. Neon in the rear view, ghosting through the night. Up in the door, flying, I'm out of your sight.
Oh my god, this is so much better than what I was able to create. Oh my god, the world is cooked. Moment AI video becomes just a little better. Like, oh my god, this feature is so insane. In one click, it was able to generate an amazing music video, better than what I was able to make. I got no words for it, like insane. This feature is probably a game changer. Everybody should use it.